Hi, I'm Bob Tasker III. I hope you enjoyed this do-it-yourself video. Remember, NewAutoParts.com for all your OEM parts needs.
Today we're going to be working on a 2011 Chevy Silverado, and I'm going to show you how to replace the power mirror switch. Alright, the first step to replacing this switch is to remove this cover right here. I usually use a pick, and I go in from the bottom. Now inside this piece right here, there's two 10mm bolts. Piece just comes right off. Use your plastic trim tool, just gently pull up on the assembly. Unclip it. Remove all the connectors out of the panel right here. All right, now that we have the mirror switch out, pull the connector out of it. All right, now we have our new power mirror switch and we're ready to install it. Put our panel switch back on. Put your handle back on. And snap this back in also. It only goes on one way. Now it's time for us to check our work. Yep, everything works. I hope that this video gave you the encouragement to attempt this repair at home on your own.